Hello everyone, myself Aditya Pratap Singh. Now I am going to discuss about my project. My project is Election Candidate Information API testing using Postman. My project objective to validate the structure and correctness of data for election candidate via GET request. The goal is to ensure transparent and structured data delivery through mock API testing in Postman. And now come to my task overview. Create a mock JSON server API representing election candidate data. Fetch the candidate information using GET request. Ensure correctness is data format and field presence. Firstly, we should know what is Postman. Let come to my what what. Firstly, we should know what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it is a way for two different software systems to communicate with each other. Now come to with example. If you use a food delivery app to order a pizza, that app send your order to restaurant using an API. So API work like a messenger that send and receive data between apps. And now come to what is Postman. Why we learn some Postman uh, get method, because firstly we should know about this topic, then we will clear about project. What is Postman? Postman is a tool used to test API. You can send a request and see how the API respond without writing any code. And firstly, why use Postman? Like benefit, easy to use. You don't need to write code to test an API. Test request. You can send different of request like get method, post, put, delete, etc. Like debug API, you can check if the API is working correctly or not. Like we want to see response, then Postman show you a response from server like a status, time, and data. Share with team, you can save the share request other easily. Now come to what can you do with Postman. Send API request, get, post, put, delete, add header and body data, view response in JSON, XML, HTML, etc, etc. Now come to real life example. You want to get a list user from a website API, then using Postman you can send get request to this API and you will see a response with other data in JSON format. Now my in my project using get method. Firstly we should know what is get method. The get method is one of the most common HTTP method used in API. It is used to request data from a server. Like get equal to give me some data. That's example. Why use get method? We use get method. We want to read or fetch information, not change. And we come to what is an environment in Postman. In Postman, an environment is a set of key value pair that you can use to manage different API setup like base URLs, tokens, or user information for different stages like dev test or production, etc. Now we should know why is environment useful. It helps to avoid writing the same value again and again. You can easily switch between different setup without changing your API request manually. Now we will come back our project. Now firstly we should open notepad. A notepad here. I have also written my JSON code and like candidate details. Here is the JSON. And now we should save the file, and I have saved the file in my file manager. Like here is the name of project and it is JSON file. Like right click on copy as a path, and now we should open command prompt, but I have also paste the link with command npx JSON server, and then put the copy address path, and then a yep uh, here is the end point, and then copy the end point, and now the main thing we will open the Postman. Here is the paste of a base URL of endpoint and send the get request. Then here is run successfully 200. Okay, it means my code is correct. Now come to check the response. So I have also run this respect script, and response time is 200 meter second function, and body matches a string function. Like my code is almost true, and that's all. Thank you.